to teach you Scratch. Okay, so first we'll go to events. We'll drag in a when green flag clicked. We'll go to motions. We'll add move 10 steps. Then whenever we click this, it will move 10 steps. But I want it to move it forever. So we'll go to control, pick the forever block. Now you can see. But now it is just coming here. But if we add one more block here, which is if an edge bounce, it will bounce. But this doesn't sound very interesting. So we'll add one more code. We'll go to looks. We'll add this change size by 10. But here it will just go bigger and bigger. So we'll also add one more thing. Wait 0.1 seconds. Then we'll again go to looks. We'll pick this block up. Change size by -10. Okay. So then you can see. Okay, we'll just set size to 100 again. Yes. Look. Now it is just blinking. But it's very slow. So we'll set the steps to 30. Okay. But this also is not too interesting. So we have this. You change color effect by 25. We'll set it to 100. Okay, now you can see the cat is blinking. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next video.